Hi Alicia, it's Clayton Willis from Armstrong Dodge. Thanks for your message about this 2019 Wrangler Unlimited with the lift kit on it. So as you can see, it's been lifted. Fox shocks have been installed. Upgraded rims, tires. We've BF Goodrich KO2 tires on there. 20-inch rims. Sits quite high. There are a set of rock rails coming so that this seam won't be exposed. There's going to be a black set of rock rails under there to protect that. Once again, Fox shocks back here. I don't have all the specifics of what they've done to it yet. Service is going to give me a list of that tomorrow. So I can I'll give you a bit more information tomorrow. Pricing will be the same thing. They haven't finished with the invoice on the work. So I should have pricing tomorrow. This vehicle's an automatic. Push button start. Touchscreen. And like all Wranglers, the roof can come off. These little front panels, freedom panels they call them, can come off easily. One person can take them off. They don't weigh anything. The rest of the roof comes off with a couple people, 4 bolts aside. This is the all new Wrangler interior. It's really nice, modernized, still rugged though. And a little bit bigger back seat for this year. They've lengthened the Wrangler Unlimited a little bit, so a little more foot room back there. So there you go, Alicia. I can get you more information tomorrow, but I wanted to do a quick walk around video and send you some pictures and that. So thank you very much for your interest.